In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a zoom-in effect in Canva. This is a really useful technique, especially if you want to make your presentations, social media graphics, or even simple videos more dynamic and engaging. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to easily create that professional-looking zoom-in animation that draws attention to your visuals and makes them pop. Let's jump right in. First, open up Canva and either create a new design or open an existing project where you'd like to add the zoom-in effect. If you're starting from scratch, you can choose the size or template that fits your needs, whether that's a video, a presentation, or even a social media post. Once your design is open, it's time to add the image or element you want to highlight. Click on the Uploads tab if you want to use your own photos, or browse Canva's library if you're using stock images or graphics. Drag and drop the image onto your canvas, then resize and position it the way you want. This step is important because the zoom effect will focus on how the element appears in your starting frame. Now, to create the zoom-in effect itself, you'll be working with Canva's animation features. Click on the image or element you want to animate. A toolbar will appear either above your design or on the left side. Look for the Animate button, which might also just show as animation. When you click this, you'll see a panel with different animation options. Scroll through the animation styles and look for the one labeled Zoom. Different versions of Canva may show slightly different animation lists, but typically, the zoom effect is easy to find among the basic or built-in animations. If you see options like Zoom in or Zoom out, make sure to select Zoom in so the image appears to move closer to the viewer. Once you've selected the zoom in animation, you'll notice a preview of how your image will animate. If you want to fine-tune the effect, check for settings like speed, direction, or intensity, which are sometimes available depending on your Canva plan. Adjust these according to your preference, keeping in mind that a smooth, slower zoom can feel more professional and less abrupt. After you're satisfied with the animation, preview your design by clicking the play button at the top right. Watch the zoom-in effect and make further tweaks if needed. If you want the effect to apply to multiple elements, you can repeat these steps for each one. Finally, when everything looks great, download or export your design as a video or animated GIF to preserve the zoom-in motion. And that's all you need to create an attention-grabbing zoom-in effect in Canva. Try experimenting with different images, speeds, and contexts to see how this simple animation can elevate your projects. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!